Okay, so we've just arrived to the unit that we purchased at Mooloolaba for $230,000. And today is demo day. Bubby, come here. I've got my little offsider here. She's checking out the hello girl. Say hello. So that's the unit there. And yeah, we'll get inside and have a look. Okay. So this is the start of the unit. There's our little gate there. Got quite a nice little balcony. I'll just go inside. Bobby, this way. And so yeah, you can actually see Mooloolaba through those trees. Yeah, we're going to replace all the awnings out the front. Obviously all the tiles. 2 new bifold doors here. Inside. Get rid of that wall there. We've got a nice brick wall. We'll probably plaster that one. The kitchen, it's original condition, obviously. Putting it in a brand new kitchen, colour cutter benches, and of course a nice bench seat. Aussie's liking it. A custom made bench seat, which is going to go along that wall there. Nice open bifold there. Down the hallway, see if the power's still on. Yep, okay. We have the main bed, which is in here, just replacing everything in here, new wardrobes, new everything. Obviously ripping out all the bathroom, replacing all the bathroom and the laundry, putting a nice shower in there, nice double vanity. The laundry's behind the door. And close that hot water system. Second bedroom here. So we're actually going to put a on this wall here a really nice folding wall bunk. So it will actually only be out when it's put away. It's only out for 450 mil, I think it is. And then the cupboards here will become a nice office. So we'll put a nice office in here, and there'll be a little wardrobe on the side on this wall over here. Nice sliding glass door here instead of this thing on the outside. And yeah, shall be interesting. So, time to rip it out. You gonna help me, girl? I think that's a yes. Now, I've just walked into the main bedroom and just saw something so cute. So, have a look at this. We've actually got the curtains hung up by stockings. And I just think that that is so innovative for a little lady that used to live here. She didn't know how to fix it, so she did it herself. I am loving that. So as you can see, I've just ripped out all the carpet. Even found some old newspapers over here from 1992, I think it is. And there's all your carpet and a couple of the drapes and stuff that I've just removed. So it's going to make this space so much better and cleaner when we tile it all. Of course, I've had a lot of help there from our puppy dog. All right. So now that the unit is ready, the real work begins. And as you can see, our container is ready to leave China. So our suppliers of cabinetry will actually provide you with CAD drawings such as these. So they will do all your elevations so you get all your details right with your measurements before signing off on your cabinetry and sending it. Just starting to put the kitchen in here. Everything comes in boxes. So it's only the tall cabinets that are flat packed. There's the bifold doors that are ready to be put in. And the installation starts. Just removing and replacing 2 bifold doors, making the place look a lot more open and a lot more inviting, actually, bringing the outside in. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll give you more info on the fit out, lots more pictures, and give you a good understanding of how Ship Your Reno works. See you soon.